Guys, welcome to another video, and this is a bit of an unboxing video because yes, I just got a fidget cube. I know it's backwards. Wait, is it backwards? It's the wrong way. I just got a fidget cube. So yeah, let's unbox it. Oh, that looks nice. So, as you can already tell, I got the sea blue colour. I don't know why, I just went for that colour. Thought it looked cool. So I'm just going to give you a little instruction of what a fidget cube really is. So, what a fidget cube is it's got all these little buttons that make different sounds when you press them. That's that side. This side, it's kind of like a joystick. You can just move it around. This side, it's just really comfortable for your fun, and it's like really comfy. This side, you've got a little switch just to go. Yeah, that's this side done. So let's go on to this part. So this is just a little bit like the switch. It moves around. So when you put your finger on that, it's easy to move and it's just fun to play with. This side is probably my second favourite side because it has a little metal ball that you can move around. And then these little things that go forwards or backwards. And that is it. So yeah.